Hello and welcome. This course is thoughtfully designed for parents, caretakers, and aspiring preschool educators who want to give children from age 2 to 5 years a strong and joyful start to their writing journey. Inside the course, you will learn simple, practical ways to build essential pre-writing skills like fine motor coordination, hand-eye coordination, and visual perception at your child's natural pace. We also offer special support for left-handed children, ensuring every child's needs are gently addressed. You will find easy to follow activities that make learning fun. 100 plus downloadable worksheets for tracing, coloring, join the dots, and practicing strokes. A helpful activities checklist for parents. A quick guide answering frequently asked questions to clear your confusion, and a complete roadmap to confidently begin your child's writing journey. Everything in this course is thoughtfully designed to fit into your everyday routine and make learning fun for both you and your child. I am truly excited and grateful to support you on this wonderful journey. Let's build strong foundation together. Thank you.